Hey guys, welcome once again. This is Asad Farm with you. Today we have a Baleno 2023 model. Have a problem with the fan. The fan motor is noisy and it's not efficient. It's not cooling enough for the problem with this car. It's coming one fan. It's for the radiator and for the aircon, both. So today we are replacing this fan motor. You can just replace the fan motor itself, or you can just replace the whole thing, you know. First we are gonna remove this water hose, and then we will remove this lock here. You can just pull it out, and then we will unplug this one, the socket over here. There is a lock. Remove the socket from here, so it will be easy for us to unplug it. We have to press this part here, lock, and then pull it out. That's all, it's out. There is a lock over here. You have to use a long nose, and then with a screwdriver from the back side of it, just push it, it will pop up. The other side will do the same thing also. Then it's out. Finish. No. Then it's out. Now we have to wiggle it only to get it outside. We have to wiggle it and then get it out from this side first, but we have to be careful for the temperature sensor over here and the AC gas pipe over here. So this is out, and this is gonna be our replacement over here. Now we'll start to put it back the same way as we took it out. Once we fit it from down, we have to make sure that this 3 brackets, it will go like in a holes down there. And then we will push it back in the place, and this 2 locks over here, one over here, till it will pop out like this, and then we will do the same over here on the other side. We'll just put back our locks over here for the electric socket. Same for this one, and then we will put back our, then we'll just fix our socket back. And we are ready to go.
Now once it's all done, you just have to start the car and check the AC, if there's noise in the fan.
And don't forget, make sure to top up your coolant in the reserve tank.
Alright guys, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drive safe.